a vulture that can film. This is the great turtle arabada. Only so much can be seen from the air. Spy turtle is here as our eyes on the ground. In water, turtles are effectively weightless. Now, flippers meant for swimming must haul huge bodies across the sand. Her flippers become scoops. Now, the moment she came for. Each egg is carefully placed. She must bury them quickly. Those already buried are beyond reach. As things hot up, Spy Turtle needs backup. A clutch of hidden cameras. That's about to change. There are so many turtles. Every spot has been taken. Eggs of previous visitors are batted away like ping pong balls. Straight into the mouths of the vultures. They finally get their reward.